Concord Ground, Skyhawk 211 Tango Delta is a PSA taxi 19 right.
Cessna 211 Tango Delta, Concord Ground. Information Foxtrot is current, wind variable at 5, altimeter 3015, runway 19 right. Taxi via Foxtrot Alpha, cross runway 32 left approach and runway 32 right on Alpha.
And affirmative, we do have Foxtrot, taxi 19 right via Foxtrot Alpha, cross 32 left approach and 32 right on Alpha, 211 Tango Delta.
Concord Ground, November 40 Papa Hotel, clear on Charlie, is northwest ports.
November 40 Papa Hotel, Concord Ground, taxi 2 parking via Echo Juliet.
40 Papa Hotel via Echo Juliet.
Brake check is good. Off we go, Foxtrot Alpha. Concord Tower, Skyhawk 211 Tango Delta is holding short, 19 right, request right crosswind departure.
Cessna 211 Tango Delta, Concord Tower, 19 right, clear for takeoff, your right crosswind departure is approved.
19 right, clear for takeoff, right crosswind departure is approved, 1 Tango Delta. Off we go. Держи, пожалуйста. Full power. Engine instruments are in the green. Speed is alive, 40 knots. 50 knots, 55. Что?
Я зевнула. Что?
А?
Я показала, что Оля что-то сказала.
Она зевнула.
Я сказала, что я зевнула. А этот самолетик пролетел мимо?
Да-да-да.
Отлично.
Approach Lincoln 450, router 25 for 16,000. We're doing 300 heading off Oakland VR.
Country 450 North Carolina, maintain 12,000, the Oakland altimeter is 3015.
12,000, Secretary 450.
Okay, departure American 785, 2500, climbing 190.
American 785, I got departure, good morning, go to contact.
Ричмонд Молл, по-моему, да, с правой стороны.
Да-да-да.
Хиллтоп.
Да-да-да. Norcal Skyhawk 211 Tango Delta is over Richmond, request.
Это круглый, да?
Тихо.
November 211 Tango Delta, North Galaxy request.
Currently 2000, request flight following Bay Tour. 211 Tango Delta.
Number 211 Tango Delta, squawk 5315 and ident.
5315, ident, 1 Tango Delta.
Number 1 Tango Delta, your radar contact 7 north of the Bay Bridge at 1,700, maintain VFR below the Bravo, northwest of that Bay Bridge on your tour.
Maintain VFR, northwest of the Bay Bridge, 1 Tango Delta.
1 Tango Delta, you have traffic 10 o'clock at 3 miles westbound, altitude gets 2,500.
Looking, 1 Tango Delta.
American 785, NorCal 124.32.
12432, American 785.
Вон там Сан
Number 10
Квентин.
Alpha, you clear to climb to Bravo at 5,500 now.
Alpha, going to 5,500.
Тюрьма Сан Квентин, где кончается мост, от него немножечко левее на
Country
мысу.
450, descend and maintain 10,000.
10,000, secondary 450.
А возьмешь?
Давай мне.
Yes, 5932, contact NorCal 124.32. Good day.
12432, Scotch 5932, good day.
Over 10 Alpha, contact Travis Approach 119.9er.
19910 Alpha.
Number 1 Tango Delta, traffic 11 o'clock at a mile, maneuvering at 2,500, type unknown.
Look traffic, 1 Tango.
Ready for Mike, your radar contact 10 miles south of Napa, 3,000 feet. Proceed direct to Mormon Temple, cross there above 2,500 for right traffic, Oakland.
At or above 2,500 for Mormon Temple, inbound for Oakland, 84 Mike.
Ready for Mike, the Oakland altimeter is currently 3015.
3015 for Oakland, 84 Mike.
DHP 37, let me know if you're going to go around the departure area for Oakland. I need to be at least a mile north of the airport.
DHP 37 affirmed. We're going to be on station here in about 2 miles. It'll be just east of Alameda.
Okay, perfect. You do left turns?
Affirmative, DHP 37.
Thanks, sir.
Парковка есть. На мост сходить.
Ладно, всякие разные observation deck, они сейчас нас очень хорошо видят. Вот сейчас смотри. Вот сейчас над мостом. Здесь лучше солнце.
NorCal DHP 37 on station, left orbit.
DHP 37, roger, thank you. United 535, NorCal 124.32, good day.
2432, good day, United 535.
NorCal Sears 558 Charlie Ducks with you, leveling 5,500.
Обалденно красивый мост, да?
Да.
Как мы клево пролетели. Обалдеть.
Number 558 Charlie Delta NorCal, the altimeter is 3015, what's your destination?
Alright, 3015 destination is Tomlin Airport, Sierra November Alpha, requesting 11,500.
Number 8 Charlie Delta, clear to climb to the Bravo if you need it. VFR altitude, your discretion, and report low. You said 11.5?
11.5, 8 Charlie Delta. Okay, alright, clear.
Оля, шарлотку поставлю с твоей стороны.
558 Charlie Delta.
А, нет, ты там. Окей, нет, с левой стороны, с левой стороны. Наш офис-билдинг вон там он. Сейчас я попробую его тебе найти. Да-да-да, где Джон Стюарт работает.
Ага. А здесь нигде закрытая зона, что ли, нет? Можно сказать где угодно?
Нет, it's as long as you're following all the VFR rules. And we're following all the VFR rules. I'm looking for our building. There is
Да ладно, другие красивые тоже есть.
Да, тоже есть.
Да,
Ты права.
да, Миш. Не,
Number 84 Mike, traffic 12 o'clock and 3 miles, maneuvering at 2,500 is a Cessna.
84 Mike is looking for that traffic, we'll stay at 2.
Сейчас с правой стороны у тебя, конечно, будет downtown, и у тебя будет Point Tower.
NorCal CHP 37, we're going to be off station, like to proceed southbound 880 for the southbound 880 transition.
DHP 37, roger, and you're going to go how far east?
As of right now, we're going to leave it open southbound 880 to, let's say, 101 for now, for CHP 37.
Okay.
Oh, здесь Pier 1, San Francisco.
Cessna 67384.
Port of San Francisco is right there. Как тебе даунтаун?
384 NorCal approach, altimeter
Ну,
3015.
с этой стороны я его никогда не видела.
That's amazing.
Ага.
Я никогда не фотографировала.
Mike does not have the traffic inside, too much ground clutter.
Такой тауэр никогда не видела, не фотографировала.
Ready for Mike, roger. B.
А, он у вас под крылом? Ну, сейчас. Видно?
Да.
Видно еще как видно.
Я тебе перешлю.
Ага. Но у меня на GoPro все еще
хочешь,
там
давай
занимается.
Нормально, ну вот.
Number 1 Tango Delta, contact NorCal 127.0.
127.0, 1 Tango Delta.
Cat flight 37.
NorCal Skyhawk 211 Tango Delta with you, Alcatraz 1000.
Sky 211 Tango Delta, NorCal approach, open altimeter 3015.
3015, and we're actually beginning our departure back to Concord.
Going back to Concord, 1 Tango Delta.
Affirmative, Charlie Romeo.
1 Tango Delta, thank you. Information, golf, current to Concord.
Yeah, we'll check it, golf. Thank you. 1 Tango Delta. Вот это самое, Treasure Island.
Это?
Yep.
Да. Они сломали кучу.
Approach Skylane 96988 with you, 3600.
Они...
November 988, NorCal approach, open altimeter 3015.
015, 988.
Number 211 Tango Delta, radar service terminated, spark VFR, frequency change approved.
VFR, frequency change approved. Thanks for your help. To 1 Tango Delta.
Number 07 uniform traffic, 2 o'clock, 6 miles southeast on a Skyhawk 3300.
Looking 136.
59 Delta traffic, 11 o'clock, 5 miles southwest on 2700, a Skyhawk.
We're looking 500 Delta.
Number 866, your right crosswind turns at your discretion. Traffic turning crosswind inside of you is a Cessna right close traffic.
Roger, 866 is commencing right crosswind departure.
Господи, как активно все.
Да. Concord Tower, Skyhawk 211 Tango Delta is 10 to the southwest. With golf, full stop.
Skyhawk 211 Tango Delta, Concord Tower, make right traffic, runway 19 right, and report 2 miles out on the 45.
Right traffic, 19 right, we'll report 2 miles on the 45, 1 Tango Delta.
Good afternoon, Concord Tower, Bonanza 23, Hotel Lima over Vallejo with Gulf landing.
Bonanza 23, Hotel Lima, Concord Tower, good afternoon. Enter and report a 2 mile right base, runway 19 right.
2 mile right base, 19 right, Bonanza 23, Hotel Lima.
Concord Tower, Skyhawk 211 Tango Delta, 2 mile 45, 19 right.
Skyhawk 1 Tango Delta, runway 19 right, cleared to land number 2, follow Cessna right base.
Clear to land, number 2, 19 right, look at that traffic, 1 Tango Delta.
Cannon Tower, let's go 1373 Bravo, ready on 19 left for takeoff.
Let's go 1373 Bravo, Concord Tower, hold short, runway 19 correction. Hold short, runway 19 left, landing traffic.
73 Bravo, holding short, 19 left.
And Tango Delta is negative traffic on the right base for 19 right.
Last time Concord Tower, who were you?
А, вон 3 часа, ребят.
Last time Concord Tower, say again.
1 Tango Delta is negative traffic for right base 19 right.
1 Tango Delta, roger, your traffic to follow now short final.
Okay, yeah, I got him. 1 Tango Delta.
Concord Tower, Sky 6033 Sierra, 6 miles northeast of the field at 3000, inbound with Gulf for the option.
Skyline 6033 Sierra, Concord Tower, enter left base, runway 19 left, report a 2 mile base.
Enter left base for 19 left, report 2 mile base. 6033 Sierra.
Concord Tower, Bonanza 23, Hotel Lima, 2 mile right base, 19 right.
Number 3 Hotel Lima, runway, standby.
5 Delta, go around.
23 Hotel Lima, runway 19 right, cleared to land. Number 2, follow Cessna right base.
Okay, clear to land number 2, Bonanza 23 Hotel Lima, and we're looking for that Cessna on base.
Luscombe 1373 Bravo, Concord Tower. Hold short of runway 19 left. We're going to be commencing a runway change to runways 1s momentarily.
73 Bravo, holding short on 19 left.
Full Fox Romeo, do you want us to make a change for our downwind here?
System 4 Foxtrot Romeo, negative, not at this time. You have an aircraft behind you in downwind. Continue.
Full Fox Romeo.
Wind 360 at 6. Cessna 59er Delta, runway 19 left, clear to land. Number 2, follow Cessna left base.
Number 2, runway 19 left, clear to land, follow the base, 59 Delta.
Молодец.
Cessna 7 Echo Papa. Make a 180. We're going to be changing to runways 1s. Make a 180, join the left downwind for runway 1 left, and extend your downwind.
Omega left 180 to join 1 left. 7 Echo Papa.
Yeah, the winds are.
Cessna 1 Tango Delta, turn left there, cross runway 19 left, and contact ground was clear.
Okay, cross 19 left on Kilo and cross ground 1 cleared. 1 Tango Delta.
Cessna 4 Foxtrot Romeo, make this a full stop taxi back.
Full Fox Romeo, we'll make this a full stop, we'll taxi off.
Concord Tower 6033 Sierra is a 2 mile base. We have final traffic in sight.
There's 6033 Sierra, runway 19 left, cleared to land.
Cleared to land, 19 left, 33 Sierra.
Okay.